Here's some western red cedar from the Pacific coast that's traveled about as far as it can go without leaving the United States. Along with other fine woods, it will be fashioned into that most genuinely American of all watercraft, the canoe, here at the Old Towne Canoe Company in Old Town, Maine. Those wonderful handicraft artists, the Old Town Indians, would be astounded by the mechanical aids used by the master craftsmen of today in creating a canoe. And yet the craft whose ribs we see being shaped here is a direct descendant of the one the Indians used for hunting, fishing, and traveling. With the ribs all in place, the planking is added. The finest straight-grained red cedar, 5/32 of an inch thick, is laid on by an expert with years of experience. Of all the skilled workmen industry on parade has filmed, it has never caught anyone faster with a hammer than this gentleman. Just watch. After gunnels and stems are fastened together, the inside of the hull is finished with marine varnish. Finishing the outside is somewhat more complicated. First, the planking is sanded perfectly smooth, again by methods the Indians never even dreamed of. Now, over the smooth wooden surface goes made with even greater skill and integrity than were those that glided through these waters 300 or 400 years ago.